Hello and welcome. I am Mrs. Vedita Keni, Assistant Professor from GVM's GGPR College of Commerce and Economics, Fonda, and I shall help you understand Fundamentals of Cost Accounting, Semester 3, Introduction to Cost Accounting, Module 1, under Unit 1, covering costing, cost accounting, cost accountancy, the concept of cost, and the objectives of cost accounting. So, at the end of this module, you will be able to understand what is costing, cost accounting, cost accountancy, describe the term cost, and cite the basic objectives of cost accounting. So, shall we begin? In common practice, the terms costing, cost accounting and cost accountancy are used by us freely, liberally and interchangeably. But although these terms seem to be synonymous, there are a few basic differences among them. So let us try to understand what is costing, cost accounting and cost accountancy. Costing, cost accounting and cost accountancy, as explained by CIMA, the Chartered Institute of Management Accountants, London. Costing. Costing is defined as the techniques and processes of ascertaining costs. So the primary function of costing is ascertainment of costs of products and services. The costs of the products and services is ascertained by using well-established techniques and procedures. Therefore, we sometimes say that we are having techniques of costing: marginal costing, standard costing, budgetary control and absorption costing. So this was costing. Let us move on to cost accounting. A deep analysis of the definition of cost accounting reveals the following. A. Ascertainment of costs of products and services by using well-established techniques and procedures. Part B. Application of cost control methods. C. And assessment of profitability of products and services. D. So as you see, cost accounting is having two more features in addition to costing, that is cost control methods and assessment of profitability. Therefore, we can understand that cost accounting is broader in scope than costing. Now, sometimes you also understand what is cost accountancy. Cost accountancy is a combination of costing and cost accounting. It involves ascertainment and control of costs. It also includes assessment of profitability of products. It serves the management in decision making by furnishing relevant cost information obtained from cost books. Therefore, cost accountancy is a much broader concept and it is referred to as a science, art and practice of a cost accountant. Now, in the course of understanding what is costing, cost accounting and cost accountancy, we have come across the word cost. So let us try to understand what is cost. In common life, we use the word cost very often. Like I go to a stationery shop and buy a book for 50 rupees. 50 rupees is the cost of the book. I buy a car or a laptop. So 40 lakhs is the cost of the car or 40,000 is the cost of the laptop. That is cost. So in simple words, cost refers to the price paid for something. But in reality, cost has a variety of meanings. It depends on the context in which you are using it. We are concerned with the context of cost accounting. So let us try to understand what is cost in the context of cost accounting. In cost accounting, cost is the amount of expenditure, actual or notional, incurred on or attributable to the manufacture and sale of a product and rendering of services. Let us elaborate. What is actual expenditure? Actual expenditure is the one where there is actual cash payment, cash outlay. Some examples of actual expenditure could be raw material used, freight, wages or salaries of employees, factory rent, repairs and maintenance, salesman's commission. Notional expenditure is something where there is no cash outlay. There is no actual expenditure in cash, payment in cash. A very common example of notional expenditure is depreciation of fixed assets. Now, cost is also classified. A very common classification of cost is elements of cost, which I am going to discuss here in very brief. Cost based on elements of cost shall be categorized as direct material, direct labor, direct expenses and indirect expenses, better known as overheads. So this was what cost is about. Now, lastly, let us go to the objectives of cost accounting. What cost accounting aims at? What cost accounting serves? The first objective of cost accounting is ascertainment of costs. Ascertaining, collection, accumulation of costs of products and services. You need to ascertain and collect the costs. Secondly, once the costs have been collected or ascertained, for the purpose of analysis, you need to group them. So second objective is classification of cost, classifying costs, grouping of costs on a suitable basis. The selection of the basis depends upon the needs of the management. Some basis could be functions or elements of cost. The third objective and very important is controlling cost. Controlling cost meaning developing various techniques for reducing cost and minimizing wastages and losses in the course of manufacture of a product or rendering of services. Last but not the least, reporting cost figures. Providing useful information to the management through periodic cost statements or reports. The management requires information on a regular basis to take decisions, various decisions. Some of the decisions here are either they want to make or buy a component, pricing issues, whether they want to sell or further process a product, whether they want to drop a product line and so on. So for the purpose of taking these decisions, the cost figures are required by them and it is provided by cost accounting. So these were the four basic objectives of cost accounting. In the course of the above discussion, you have come across what is cash outlay. Cash outlay refers to a payment in any mode of cash. It has to take place. Elements of cost. Elements of cost is an important basis for classification of cost which is used in cost statements. Overheads. Overheads is a term used for indirect expenses. So students, please highlight yourself and enlighten yourself more on this topic by reading books of your choice. You must read. These are books of my choice which I have mentioned. Please go through them. It was lovely having you with me. Thank you for joining and God bless you.